Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on your roborock Qrevo Plus. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, the vacuum bag is stored in here on our station, and this cover just pulls right out. So really a nice cool cover, just kind of snaps in, grab it from either side, and then you can pull it out towards you to remove it. And inside then, you'll notice we have our vacuum bag right here. Quick tip and trick, definitely write a date somewhere on the vacuum bag so you know when you installed the vacuum bag. You'll thank me for that weeks and months later when you're not sure how long it's been since you've changed the vacuum bag. You'll know always if you put it somewhere either here or on the bag itself. But go ahead, grab this handle. You just pull this up and out of the way. Dispose of the old vacuum bag. Clean in here if needed. And then you just take the new vacuum bag. You'll notice how this lines up. And you just gently slot it in place, and then you push this down. There you go. The new bag has successfully been installed. Your last step is to put the cover right back on like that. Super simple and straightforward to change the vacuum bag on your roborock vacuum station.